Hello, this is Jeremy with Cypress Cove Publishing. Today we are cooking a sausage and potato stew. In this stew we have this 32 ounces of beef stock. We have this pound of sausage. It's cut up and browned. I have 2 cans of this Van Camp's pork and beans. It's two 15-ounce cans. I also have 2 cans of this trapeze, black eyed peas, and jalapenos. This is 15.5 ounces per can. In addition to 1 packet of this beefy onion soup mix. That is, let's see, about 1.1 ounces per packet, I think. So, and we added quite a bit of water to it. About 4 pounds of russet potatoes peeled and chopped. And we will see how long it takes to cook, which should be about an hour or 2. Alright, thank you. So this is how it's cooking right now. We also added about a pod of garlic and 2 onions peeled and chopped. Alright, thank you. So it's finished, it's tasting great, and it cooked for about an hour and a half. So on medium-high heat. And this looks pretty good. The potatoes are fork tender. The sausage is great. The black eyes look good, taste good, and came out great. Thank you.